Hi, hello everybody. We are really super excited. So we had to do this video real quick because I'm worried that the Mother's Day gift is going to sell out. It goes on sale at 10 a.m. tomorrow, or 9 a.m. Mountain Time tomorrow, 10 a.m. Central Time, which is my time, and 11 Eastern. So we wanted to get this out of here because I think it's going to sell out fast. So first, I thought I would do a recap. This is our Mother's Day 3 years ago. And I just absolutely love this scarf. You can do so much with it. It's an absolute blast. There we go. Okay. And this was Mother's Day 2 years ago. The scarf is sold out, guys. Sorry, there's none of those left. But there are still a limited quantity of the Mother's Day oil bags in the back office that will hold a lot. Trust me, they hold a lot of oils. Okay, so that part, oh, there my scarf came down. There we go. All right, last year they got really exciting and they gave us this trio of oils. We got Sunny Citrus, we got Kumquat, and Red Mandarin. I'm actually using the Kumquat in my coffee today, if that tells you how many of these I purchased. But this year's so exciting. Okay, you have to flip the page, Lisa. They're doing a Harmony blending kit. So not only are you getting 3 amazing new oils for a limited time, they're also giving you a blending kit so you can learn how to blend. And if doTerra has put the blending kit, the little pamphlet in there for the blending, you know it's going to be really great information. I'm going to let Felisa go through the oils, but I may pipe in because I have some favorites on here.
She gets so excited. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes, pink pepper. Excuse me. Pink pepper. I just like to say that. But star anise. Star anise is just wonderful, warm, and for a few of the uses. Now, star anise I only know from cooking, so this is going to be exciting. So for a few of the uses of this oil are helps constipation, reduces joint pain and muscle spasms, supports healthy digestion, promotes restful sleep, eases breathing, reduces coughing, reduces PMS symptoms, and uplifting to the mood. This is going to be such a special.
Yeah, now this is a very strong oil. It's a very, very spicy, sweet oil. So a little will go a very long way.
Pink pepper. I just like saying that. Pink pepper. And I have no idea. I've not tried this, so I just like the name. And a few of the uses, I'm excited to try this. It aids in the digestive issues, great for disinfecting, supports the immune system, energizing, uplifting, increases alertness, which I'm real excited about trying, and just decreases muscle and joint pain.
Now this one is really, really exciting to me. It's somewhat similar to black pepper, but it has some chemical properties that are just a step in a different direction that's going to be really exciting.
Green mandarin, how beautiful. A few of the uses, very helpful for nausea, great for disinfecting, supports respiratory function, promotes clear skin, toning and tightening effect on skin, supports tissue regeneration, reduces scarring, and one of the absolute gentlest oils of all time. And excuse me, the dog coughed.
This is going to be a fun one. The red mandarin is actually one of my absolute favorites, and this is the green mandarin is distilled from the unripe fruit, and so I cannot wait to compare the different uses between the two.
And I think we were talking about it earlier. It's kind of like taking some of the characteristics of petitgrain and kind of adding the neroli on top of it. So it just sounds luscious, yummy. Okay. And our normal closing, as we have before, but nature, we all know nature was man's first remedy. Everything we need can be found there. And these are just 3 new new oils for us to play with. And you know about our uh, Helping Hands.
And co-impact sourcing.
Thank
Two
you.
of, probably, as much as I love the oils, one of my favorite things about doTerra is the way they operate the business to help people, from the growers all the way up. By one bottle of oil, and you are helping so many people. It's just amazing.
And even if we don't know the exact sourcing of these new oils, I am sure they are helping the source also. And we are, Lisa and Robin, contact us if you have any questions. We will be putting out more information about these oils and how to get them, and all the little details of where they're going to be in our back office, and all things about, can you use points or not? Probably not. And things like that. We will be adding that, so watch for more. But we wanted to take this small little time and say we are so excited, and heads up, 10 o'clock Central Time. Set your alarm.
I'm a little worried these won't last, so.
Yes, but feel free to connect with us, and we're here to help you if we can. Talk to you later.